Welcome to Plan Design. We will see this wonderful, very wonderful luxury house plan. So you can see here this grand villa, 4 bedroom, first floor with master bedroom and wide ground floor, dining hall, kitchen, double hall, veranda, entrance. So we will see this one by one. So you can see here this is our wonderful ground floor plan and this is our first floor plan. Unique design, stair, lift, arch, veranda, balcony, everything has been arranged in very much proper way. So we will see this one by one. So we will start this entrance. So this all is our interlock. This is step, this side step, and this side step. This full covering interlock, one level. So we are reaching. This is our entrance. This is our sliding door, and this 500 by 500 centimeter wide entrance lobby. Then we are entering. We are getting here dining area, veranda, and hall, and here also veranda. After that we are reaching this area. This again wide hall and one lift for first floor. Unique design stair. You will start rising from here and both sides you will go. This arch, wonderful glass arch, and this is the kitchen. You can access from here also and from back side also. You can see here this is small service stair for roof floor purpose. This laundry room 180 by 260. This kitchen 662 by 670. Very wide hall 830 by 855. And this dining 700 centimeter wide by 495. This veranda 400 by 380. So this very wide space. Now we will see this hall 680 by 680, and this is our main entrance 600. So this is our arch, this side arch coming. This is also main entrance. This will cover first floor and wonderful design you can see here. Okay, so we will see this. This is store and hall, lobby, this washroom, bathroom, this maid room, servant room 370 by 330. So we will come to first floor plan. So this completely wonderful 800 by 12 13 meter approximate, this family living, and this side our stair, lift. This is our grand master bedroom 995 by 600 centimeter from here, 920 by 500 centimeter from here. This is balcony 500 360. This is dress area and bathroom, shower, very wide space 480 by 320, 380 by 195 this side, and this 480 by 250. This also balcony covering 740 by 200 centimeter. So this wonderful master bedroom. Now we are coming here 600 by 500 centimeter this bedroom, and this is a balcony 290 by 240. This dress area and bathroom 240 by 260, 260 by 220. This is another bedroom. This is our lobby 500 by 240, and this is our bedroom 2 600 by 500, and this is our dress area 300 by 240. This bathroom 240 by 300 centimeter. Another bedroom is here, very unique type 420 by 680. This is our dress area and this is our bathroom attached with this bedroom. This is the balcony. So this wonderful ground floor first floor plan. So you can see a column, door, window, everything arranged very much proper way. So you can see here everything is arranged. So this can consider a villa, grand villa, wonderful villa design. It will cover in boundary. Okay, so this is our final plan. If you got this plan helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.